The Borno State Governor, Babangana Zulum, has alleged that some Nigerian politicians and members of the armed forces are acting as informants and collaborators for Boko Haram insurgents. Zulum made the revelation on Wednesday during an interview on News Central Breakfast, where he vowed that the state would strengthen its intelligence network and deal with saboteurs ruthlessly.
The president should listen to those that can tell him the right thing. And I had a meeting with the chief of army staff. He said that he doesn't want a kobo to be given to him in terms of equipment. Let the federal government deal directly with other nations so that equipment will be procured government to government. So our problems are one, lack of honesty. People don't say the right thing. People are staying in their comfort zone, trying to give misinformation and miscommunications. The army knows what it takes to deal with the insurgents. The president should also listen to them. And we had a meeting with them. I've seen zeal and commitment from them as well as from the intelligence committee.
Addressing the issue of surrendered insurgents, Zulum stated that while not all who surrendered have reformed fully, the overwhelming majority are contributing positively. The governor reaffirmed the need for Nigeria to embrace kinetic and non-kinetic strategies in tackling insurgency, noting that over 99% of repentant insurgents are no longer involved in terrorism. He stressed that military first alone would never bring about a total end to insurgency. He acknowledged that not all 500,000 plus repentant fighters may stay reformed, but believes the system is largely working. Zulum criticized the lack of equipment for the military and accused insurgents of having a superior technological advantage, saying the army does not have the necessary equipment on ground to fight the insurgency. The governor, however, commended the Nigerian military's role in supporting peace-building efforts and urged President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to pay attention to ground-level intelligence and professional advice from the military. While this new revelation has sparked mixed reactions online, share your thoughts in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates. Please stay tuned to Naija News TV.